Okay, the next exercise we're gonna do here is the chest press. So, with the Isomax, you're now able to do a traditional bench press, or what I'm gonna do is seated upright chest press. I'm going to show you how I set this up, okay? Just so you can see, it is a tad tedious. So if you do work with clients with the Isomax, I suggest you practice it a little bit so you're not out there looking like a buffoon in front of your clients. You can just wrap this around your back, but I like to wrap it around the actual bench so I'm not putting any stress on my body as I'm pressing it. So this might take me a little bit here, but you guys are along for the ride because everything I do, I try to do it authentically, genuinely. So that's what I'm gonna do here, okay? So I'm gonna try and get in this thing right now. And I hope you guys didn't change the channel yet because that would be brutal. You didn't even stay for the party. You showed up, but you didn't even stay for the party. Shame on you. But if you made it this far, we're almost there. Okay, here we go. So I'm strapped in. It's not too bad. Not too bad, right? What do you think? Sometimes though, with a client, you gotta get up close and personal with them, and you gotta get right up in their grill a little bit just to get this done. But if it's just you, which I'm assuming a lot of you are just yous out there and you don't have clients, then whatever, okay. And the first one here is gonna be just to get our max, and hands just about in front of our shoulders, and we're pressing 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Max there was 168, if you can see, 168. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the load to 150. Why do G, question in the first row, yes, you there, Timmy. G, if your max is 158, why are you setting the load to 150? Well, because I don't want to injure myself, first of all, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty much it. If my max on the last set was 168, I'm not gonna set that for 6 seconds. I'm gonna lower it a little bit because again, I don't have anything to prove. I'm just trying to get fit enough to stay alive for my daughter for a handful more years, you know? Okay, load mode, 150, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was 6. As you can tell, 163 was my max there. As you can tell, the last beep was like a half a beep. It's interesting how Isomax does that to you. It's almost like telling you like, wimp. It's like beep, 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 wimp. That's fine. Here we go, load mode. This is set 3, coming your way. You gotta kind of keep it up here around the chest area. And 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, one take G, I gotta set to load mode. 3, 2, 1, go. $184. 184 is my max there. You guys proud? Yep, you should be. Is my mic on? Yes, it is. All right, here we go. I think this is set 4 coming your way. We are in load mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Max there, 163, going back down. So, some questions I get asked from my clients is, are you looking for perfect technique or are you looking for force output? Because sometimes with Isometrics, especially with the Isomax, you start to sacrifice a little bit of technique just to get some force output. And I think Isometrics are safe enough where your mind should really be on pressing as hard as you can within reason. When we're moving and doing dynamic movement, I'm super strict about form, but once we get on the Isomax, press out, brother. do what you got to do to press out. You know, the only time I'll stop someone is if their shoulders get too high up towards their ears, or if their elbows start to flare out, or if I just see that they're grimacing so bad their head's gonna pop off of their shoulders. Other than that, press out, brother. Here we go. I think this is set 5. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. 165, I'm hovering around the 165, 163 area. I got 184 as my max though. You guys saw it. You guys saw it. I think this is my last set right here. Okay, a little bit annoying having to pick this up every time, but I'm sure there's a better way I can be doing this. But hey, this is raw right now. Okay. Load mode, last set. 3, 2, 1, go. That was a battle. That was a battle right there. My max is 166.6. There's 3 6s in a row there, which is not a good sign for your boy. You guys may never see me again. It was a pleasure knowing you. It's a pleasure working with you. To my 75 subscribers, thanks for joining along for the party. Hope you made it this long. If you did make it this long, please comment below smoky, because here in upstate New York, apparently Canada is smoking the place out, hotboxing the place. But we got, I'll show you guys, I'll take you guys for a ride, hang on. The wildfires are taking over and somehow made it all the way down here. How did they do that? I have no idea. See how it's that smoky out there? Usually we got a nice beautiful sunset here. No, we got smoke. Okay, over and out.